Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add Microsoft apps to desktop. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add Microsoft apps to desktop, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button. Then click on all. After that, scroll down to Microsoft. So you can just scroll down gently and then you should see the Microsoft Store. To add this store to your desktop, just drag and drop it on your desktop like this. And then you should see the Microsoft Store apps added to your desktop. Whenever I want to access the Microsoft Store apps on your PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, just locate Microsoft Store and then double click on it. Then you should see the Microsoft apps store opens on your PC like this. And then you are good. So that is basically how to add Microsoft Store apps to desktop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.